Everyone talks about making money with AI side hustles, but most people never actually test them. I ran a simple experiment to see which one works the fastest. Welcome to Purposefully AI. This channel is about turning smart AI tools into real income streams. No hype, just simple systems anyone can start. I picked 3 popular AI side hustles, tried them myself, and tracked which one worked the fastest. The winner truly surprised me. Today we're testing AI content writing, AI digital products, and AI short-form video creation. Only one came out on top. The first side hustle is AI content writing using ChatGPT. It's one of the fastest services you can offer with AI. The workflow is simple. Generate a draft with ChatGPT, edit it slightly, then offer the service on freelance platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. The biggest advantage here was speed. I could generate and polish a full article in under 20 minutes. But the challenge is high competition from thousands of other freelancers. The second experiment focused on selling digital products, which means creating something once and selling it repeatedly. Examples include printable planners, Notion templates, or prompt packs. AI tools like ChatGPT and Canva help generate and polish these products quickly. The advantage is mostly passive income from every sale. However, the downside is that traffic takes time. Your product needs visibility before people start buying. This brings us to the third experiment, AI short-form video creation, and this one surprised me the most. Short-form video is exploding on platforms like YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. Businesses need constant video content to stay visible. The workflow is straightforward. Use ChatGPT to generate a script, then use AI video tools like Pictory or CapCut to generate the visuals, and finally, deliver packages to clients. When I tested this model, the demand was significantly higher. Businesses are actively looking for people who can help them produce short-form content right now. After testing all 3 AI side hustles, the clear winner was AI short-form video creation. The first reason is simple. Demand is growing incredibly fast, making it easy to find clients. Second, AI tools dramatically reduce the amount of work required, accelerating your production time. And third, the skill barrier is relatively low compared to advanced design or coding, making it highly accessible. This combination makes AI short-form video creation one of the most accessible AI income opportunities today. The best AI side hustle is the one that combines high demand, simple workflows, and fast results. Focus on these 3 factors for success. If you want the exact AI workflows I'm testing, download my free guide, the AI Money Starter Kit, using the link in the description. Subscribe to Purposefully AI for more experiments.